Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change replica appearance. To change the appearance of your replica in the Replika application, first of all, launch the Replika app on your smartphone and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're inside this page, tap on a little store kind of an icon at the top left corner. Here, you will be able to see Appearance button at the bottom, tap on that, and then browse through the available styles, outfits, hairstyles, and so on. You can also change the skin tone, eyes color, voice, makeup, etc. If you go to the face options, you can then go ahead and customize the facial feature for your replica. After making necessary adjustments, you can then go ahead and also choose a different avatar from the menu, select a replica, and then after you are done, you can exit the appearance screen. And that's it. Some appearance options will need pro subscriptions on Replika so that you can use it on your replica's appearance. And just like that, you have successfully changed your replica's appearance. Enjoy chatting with your newly styled companion and watch how their personality shines through their fresh look. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.